A sink drain leaking at the tailpiece connection is super common, but you can fix it fast without calling a plumber. So, here's the deal. First, make sure the slip nut connecting the tailpiece is snug but not crazy tight. Just hand tight and maybe a little more with a wrench if it feels loose. If tightening doesn't stop the drip, pop off that slip nut and check the washer inside. Sometimes the washer gets old or cracked, so swapping it out with a new rubber or plastic washer can stop leaks for good. When putting everything back together, line up the tailpiece straight so it doesn't twist the connection and cause gaps. After you reassemble it, run water for a few minutes and keep an eye out for drips. Sometimes leaks show up only after some use. Also, don't forget to check the tailpiece itself for cracks or damage, because even a tiny crack can cause leaks. If you want to avoid future hassles, inspect these parts every few months to catch wear before it turns into a flood. And hey, if you're unsure about washers or nuts, most hardware stores have folks who can help you pick the right replacements. One of the biggest mistakes with a sink drain leaking at the tailpiece connection is over-tightening the slip nut, which can crack the pipes or strip threads just tighten enough to seal and stop. Another common issue is ignoring a worn-out or missing washer, which is often the real culprit behind leaks. Swap it out quickly to fix leaks without fuss. Lastly, misaligning the tailpiece when reconnecting causes gaps that let water sneak out. Make sure everything lines up straight before tightening to avoid leaks and headaches. If you're hunting for trusted local contractors to help with home fixes like plumbing leaks or bigger projects, bighomeprojects.com is your go-to spot. It connects homeowners with reliable pros nearby and gives contractors a steady stream of work from people who really need help.